Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be replacing my rear lower control arm bushings, because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see that they are actually pretty shot. So if you guys haven't, you guys will see later in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off both of the wheels and get both of them off. So let's get to it. All right, so now I just have to go ahead and get that 14 off, that 14 off, the 14 for the sway bar on the other side, and that 14, and this all should go off. So let's get to it. All right, so check it out. So I got both of them off, and yeah, look at that. I think this one, I replaced it. I'm not too sure. Some of them look good, but I think they're on the edge of ripping. So I think I'm just gonna replace all of them. Yeah, see, this one over here is like barely there. That one too. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so I got them all off, and yeah, it looks like half of them were bad, half of them were good. So I'm gonna keep those ones. I'm not gonna put them back on. They're gonna be extras just in case the new ones go. But with the new ones, I'm gonna go ahead and grease right here, and then grease on the outside and the inside too, so they can last longer and don't don't basically be like this, because yeah, that's not good. All this isn't good. Nasty. So I'm gonna get to it. So I got all of them in, and yeah, they look fresh. So let's go ahead and install them. All right, it's starting to rain right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slap these in, and I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah, you guys see that? Okay, I gotta do these real quick. Be right back. Changing out the new bushings while it's raining. I didn't know it was gonna start raining, but yeah, new ones are somewhere, or the old ones are over there somewhere. I don't know, but new ones are in. Let's go. You ain't a true car person if you're not working in the rain on your car. Ooh, this took forever. Yes, it's raining. You can see raining. And I'm done. Let's go. Bushing it in. Yes, time for a nap.